From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott here with the short-term forecast and video discussion issued on Monday, August 3rd. Well, after a stormy second half of the weekend, a cold front is currently sweeping through the Commonwealth, and an area of high pressure will settle into the region behind it and promote dry and mostly sunny conditions early this week. So without further ado, let me start by taking a look at our daily climatology. I'm expecting a high of 86 degrees this afternoon at Millersville, and that is right exactly at average for this time of the year. Today's record high was 99, set in 1931. This morning's low of 73 was 10 degrees above the average low of 63, and today's record low is 49, set in 1920. Taking a look at the sky cam from Millersville University, you will notice there are some clouds across the sky, but generally skies are partly to mostly cloudy right now. But like I said, we will be seeing a gradual clearing trend throughout the rest of the morning into the early afternoon hours, especially behind the cold frontal passage when winds turn northwesterly this afternoon. As we take a look at the visible satellite imagery, that confirms what we see on the sky cam. There are a lot of clouds across northern Maryland and southeastern PA right now, but you will notice that skies are at least partially clearing across central and western parts of the state. So again, expect that clearing trend as we go throughout the rest of the morning in the early afternoon hours. As we take a look at the radar, you will notice some heavier rain across New Jersey and parts of southeastern New England. But here across the Lower Susquehanna Valley, there's really not much going on. There might be a stray shower or two that will accompany the frontal passage over the next 2 to 3 hours, but most places will remain dry today, and high temperatures will be in the mid to upper 80s for most places, with dew points in the low 70s. Those dew points will fall off later this afternoon, so expect a decreasing humidity later this afternoon into tonight. As we take a look at the Euro model for 8 p.m. this evening, what you'll notice is that the cold front is now along or just even southeast of the I-95 corridor by 8 p.m. this evening. That will sweep off the mid-Atlantic coastline later tonight. In its wake, an area of high pressure will settle into the Commonwealth on Tuesday and promote mostly sunny and seasonably warm conditions. But again, humidity will be much lower than today, with dew points only in the low 60s Tuesday afternoon. High temperatures tomorrow will be very similar to today. You will notice, however, that there is going to be this disturbance that's going to be gathering across the Carolinas on Tuesday. That's going to move northward then during the middle of the week, and that will spark scattered showers and thunderstorms across the Lower Susquehanna Valley on Wednesday afternoon. Along with that chance for showers and thunderstorms, we will see more humid conditions return, as well as dew points soar back into the low 70s by Wednesday afternoon. But again, high temperatures, very typical for this time of year, generally in the low to mid 80s. Again, this is a very typical summertime pattern as we go forward here over the next 4 to 7 days. Really not too much to write home about. I'm not expecting any severe weather on Wednesday. This is a relatively weak disturbance, and the winds both at the surface and aloft are going to be very light. So really, torrential downpours and frequent lightning are going to be the only threats from these storms on Wednesday. So as we take a look at the short-term Campus Weather Service forecast, mainly clear and turning less humid tonight, low 62. Mostly sunny and seasonable on Tuesday with low humidity, high 86. Partly sunny and more humid on Wednesday with scattered showers and thunderstorms, high 84. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the short-term forecast. Tune back in next Monday for the latest edition. Until then, enjoy the dry conditions early this week and make sure to grab an umbrella before heading out the door Wednesday morning.